Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming network access and app readiness. Open your device settings and make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on. Weak signal causes timeouts. Once done, update Capcut from the App Store so you have the latest network fixes, and then open Capcut. Make sure you grant network and storage permissions when prompted. Without them, Capcut won't upload or download assets. Doing these first saves errors later and prepares Capcut to connect automatically when you go to import or use online assets. You now sign in so Capcut can access cloud features. This lets you import trending assets and sync projects. After signing in, navigate to Profile, open Cloud Settings, and enable Backup and Asset Sync. This explains why media appears across devices. If you commonly use mobile data, make sure Capcut is allowed to use cellular. Otherwise, large downloads pause on Wi-Fi only. Once these options are enabled, try importing an online template or effect to confirm Capcut reaches remote servers and downloads correctly. You finish by testing the connection, import a cloud template or stock clip, and watch for progress indicators. If a download stalls, restart Capcut and, if necessary, reboot your device to refresh network sessions. Clear Capcut's cache and app settings to remove corrupted temp files. Doing so often resolves stuck downloads. If problems persist, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, try a different network or mobile data, and finally reinstall Capcut. That typically restores network functionality when other steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.